So first I learned colors name. Green color, light green color, brown color, blue color, orange color, purple color, rosy color, and pink color. Then I start alphabet A to Z. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for flower. G for ghost. H for hat. I for insect. J for joker. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. N for mouse. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snow. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And last alphabet Z for zebra. Let's repeat alphabets. Please subscribe me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye.